प्यारे बच्चों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाह। आई एम योर टीचर मोरिस रज़ा एंड फॉर क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट साइंस। आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एपीकल्चर। तो इसमें हम आज डिफरेंट तरीके से थोड़ा सा ये टॉपिक अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे। जैसा कि आपको याद होगा, कदीम ज़माने से जो इंसान है, he used to domesticate such type of animals which are more useful, which can provide food and can help the human beings to meet the daily requirements. One among them is the bees. From the early time, bees has been used by human beings as a source of food. Not only food, but bees also taught us how to work and how to work with cooperation with one another. For that, bees are the best example so far as working in a group, in a team is considered. Now, that branch of science which deals with the scientific study, scientific method of rearing of bees, it is of honeybees, it is called apiculture. And the word apiculture, it has been interpreted, this term has been used, it came from the Latin word apis, that means a bee. So apiculture, it is actually defined as the care and management of honeybees for the production of honey and wax. Because earlier I told you, these honeybees, this subject of apiculture, it is actually concerned for the production of honey and wax, which are used as primarily as a source of food. Now, so far as the classification of the honeybees is considered, classification, honeybee has been placed in the phylum Arthropoda. 9th क्लास में ये थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन होगा जब हम वहाँ पर क्लासिफिकेशन इन डिटेल अंडरस्टैंड करते हैं। तो फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा एंड क्लास जो है क्लास इंसेक्टा, ऑर्डर हाइपेनोप्टेरा, फैमिली जो है इट इज एपिडी एंड जेंस एप्स. So far as the varieties or the species is considered, हमारे पास 4 species अभी तक है जो कि यूज होती है, which have their own importance, and the first species among them is the Apis dorsata. Apis dorsata is also called as rock bee. जहां तक honeybees का ताल्लुक है, Apis dorsata जो है it is the largest bee, and this type of bee it is 20 mm in length, सबसे बड़ी bee यह है, और it is usually form a single comb and it gives the high content of honey, almost 60 pounds of honey is given by such type of bee in the single comb. जो workers होते हैं Apis dorsata के, the workers are very small but they are very active and they can pollinate 12,000 flowers daily. So इसमें आप कंसिडर कर सकते हैं कि इनमें कितना टीम वर्क होगा, कितनी जो काम करने की कुव्वत है वो इस स्पीशीज में होगी. लेकिन ड्यू टू दिस ferocious and irritable nature, these bees are not domesticated in homes. The second variety, it is the Apis indica. इसका कॉमन नेम जो है it is Indian bee. ये bee जो है forests या plains में पाई जाती है and it prefers to live in the dark places. So this bee, it constructs several parallel combs and it is very gentle in nature, and this bee can be domesticated. Although the production of honey per comb, it is very less as compared to the Apis dorsata. It is only 66 to 7 pounds per comb. But still, this bee is very gentle, it is very calm, and it can be domesticated at this home level. Third variety is the Apis florea. This bee is called little bee. Little bee में बहुत ही small होती है, and it also yields a smaller amount of honey. It also lives in the single comb, but in a very displeasant manner. And this bee is also very docile in nature, and its rare stinging nature, its behavior, the comb can be removed easily and the honey can be extracted because it's very docile in nature. It's very gentle in nature, calm in nature. The fourth type of this bee, it is Apis mellifera. So far as Apis mellifera is considered, it gives very less amount of honey, but this is one among the best species on a commercial scale also. It's also docile in nature and it also can be domesticated. We can improve the variety of this Apis mellifera. We can improve its the features by breeding its this continuously for hundreds of years, so that in the genetic lineage the features, the characters of this variety can be improved. So it for hundreds of years this Apis mellifera can be kept. For second part of this topic, we will discuss that in next lecture. Thank you very much.